Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Residence Inn Rochester Mayo Clinic area. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, facilities for disabled guests, fitness center and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This non-smoking hotel has rooms with cable TV, a complimentary breakfast and a free grocery assistance service. It provides laundry and dry cleaning services. Apache Mall is 2.5 miles away. Residence Inn Rochester's rooms have modern furniture which includes a pull-out sofa bed. Room amenities include pay-per-view and a cozy fireplace. Each room has a well-equipped kitchen area which is fitted with microwave, stove and dishwasher. The open-plan kitchen joins up with the 4-seater dining table. Residence Inn Rochester Mayo Clinic area organizes regular social events during the week. It features a small picnic area where guests can enjoy barbecues. Residence Inn Rochester Mayo Clinic is less than 4 miles away from Mayowood Mansion. Miracle Mile Shopping Center is less than 5 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.